The Junior League of Mobile consists of 1,800 diverse volunteering women who have been dedicated to the Gulf Coast since 1931. The Junior League of Mobile's mission is to promote volunteerism, develop the potential of women, and improve our community. The organization annually donates more than $1 million in volunteer time and direct financial support to positively impact approximately 25,000 men, women, and children each year. While the Junior League places primary importance upon providing volunteers, its members recognize that there are financial needs in our community that do not call for volunteer involvement. The Junior League maintains a community assistance fund to allow the Junior League the ability to respond financially to needs and opportunities without the required volunteer component. The Mobile Licensed Professional Counselors Association is fortunate to have been the recipient of a Community Assistance Fund in the fall of 2008. For more information about Junior League of Mobile's Community Assistance Grants, please visit www.juniorleaguemobile.org or call 251-471-3348. The Mobile Licensed Professional Counselors Association is very grateful to the Junior League of Mobile for providing the funds needed to present this program to our community. Hello, my name is Joyce Griffin Barber. I work as a coordinator at Bay Point Hospital, which is part of AltaPoint Health Systems. I also serve on the Board of Directors for the Mobile Licensed Professional Counselors Association, and I'd like to welcome you tonight to our show. Tonight's topic is very important. We talked about the fact that 1 in 6 adults and 1 in 10 children suffer from mental illness in our community, in our country as well. And tonight's topic is very important. We're talking about mood disorders. All of us are affected from time to time with some kind of sadness or depression, but we're going to talk about what happens when that turns into a clinical illness. We're very lucky to have with us tonight a speaker who has a lot of experience in this area, and I'm going to introduce her to you in just a moment. But before we get started, I just wanted to remind you that as we're speaking, our name and our contact information is going to be at the bottom of your screen. And when we finish this program, at the end, there's going to be a list of facilities and agencies and licensed professional counselors in our area that can help you and provide treatment for you if you have an affective or mood disorder. Let me introduce you now to our speaker. Michelle Krulowitz-Dees began working in the year 2000 as a foster care worker in the state of Alabama, and by 2004 she was processing adoptions. She completed her internship at Spring Hill College Wellness Center. She began working as a therapist at AltaPoint Health Systems in the year 2005. She has since served as an assistant coordinator on the Bridge team, assistant coordinator of the Day Treatment Program, and assistant coordinator of the ACT team. She's recently been promoted to coordinator of the ACT team, Bridge team, and the jail diversion programs. We're very happy to have her with us tonight. I'm sure she's going to give us a lot of information that will be helpful. So now I'd like to introduce to you Michelle Krulowitz-Dees.
Hi. There are several types of mood disorders.